tools we're gonna need. And here we go. All right, get this guy.
Oh, you're gonna take a photo of it, are you?
Yeah, I'm just gonna take a video of the whole thing, actually, of it coming out.
Good work, Rich.
Yeah, nice and gentle with that one always, because the threads are delicate, right?
I'll be stunned if that thing is clean when you pull it out.
Well, it's been used for a whole year, right?
I expect it to be blackened and fibers on it.
Sat for
Like, you know, like
even longer. Oh yeah.
wow, it is black, isn't it?
That is black for sure. Lots of carbon scoring. So there it is, all cleaned. Let's see if we can get the numbers. Yeah, I'm gonna get the numbers in here. There, now it's in focus.
Oh, I thought the number was stamped on the white part.
It is. I just rotate it and then I can see it.
All right, I can hardly wait to see what's going to happen.
All right, and then it can go back in.
I believe it may even start on the first pull. Like you'll get something, right?
Oh yeah, yeah, of course. So always hand tighten with this guy.
And then a quarter turn.
And then a quarter turn, that's right.
That'd be it, huh?
All right.
All good?
Give that a shot.
Give it a prime.
So yeah, now you gotta.
All right, stand clear.
A little more than normal.
Let's go.
Give it a shot, Dad.